What is up, everybody? It's Jack here. I'm a Shopify developer here at Section Store, and in this video I'm going to be going over how you can add a reviews widget just like this one to the top or anywhere on the Shopify product page. Reviews are super important, especially for new brands. Some studies show that they can increase conversions by up to 200%. And so it's a great idea to put them somewhere here on the product page, the most high impact section, right where the customer is about to hit their add to cart or buy now button. The section looks great, it's super easy to use, and you can set it up within 2 minutes. Let's get into it. So to do this, we're going to be using the Section Store app, specifically this conversion blocks tab. If we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see the section called Reviews, which is what we're looking for, but you also get access to everything else. If we use the button and select the theme that we're customizing, it's going to take us to the theme editor. In the theme editor, we want to expand this product information section, and then we're going to click Add Block, come over to Apps, we're going to scroll down until we find the Section Store ones, and then we're looking for Reviews. You can drag and drop this anywhere on the product page. If, for example, I want it above the buy buttons, just drag it down and move it here, but I think for most stores, above the title is going to look best. Once you've got the positioning right, you can click on the section to customize it. So the first settings up the top is content alignment. This is everything within the section. You can either have it top or center aligned. For the verified badge, you can have it under the image next to the name, or you can remove it if you don't want it. For the controls, so how the customer goes through the reviews or sees different reviews, you can either have dots, arrows, or no controls. Below that is autoplay, so if you want this to automatically carousel through the reviews, expand this timer here, so every 5 seconds in this example, it will switch to a new review. Underneath that, we have the option to fill out the reviews here. So first and foremost, you can upload an image if you want an image of your customer, maybe their brand or anything else that you want here. And then we have a field to write the reviews in. To have the name showing up as bold, we want to do it in this format. So hashtag, bracket, and then the customer's name, and then a closing bracket. This is going to show the verified badge, the name, and bold correctly. Following that, you can just add a space and type whatever review you'd like in here, or paste one that you've got from a customer. You would repeat this process for the second and third review section, uploading an image, adding their name in this format, pasting in the review. If you don't need 3 reviews, if you just want 1 or 2 for an example, you can just remove this field, leave it blank, and the third option will not show up. Following that, we've got some styling options. So for the image, we've got a roundness or how much roundness you want on the corners and a size for the image. For the text, you can change the font size and the color. For the stars, you can change the style of the stars. There's 4 options here, and you can pick a custom color as well. And then for overall section appearance, you have the option to add a border to the section. If you do have a border, you can increase the width or the thickness. You can choose the color for the border, how much roundness there is on the corners, and then a background for the overall section. Finally, at the bottom, we have padding settings, so vertical and horizontal. If you want more space above and below the section or on the left and the right, you would increase either vertical or horizontal padding accordingly. Once you've filled out all your reviews, you're happy with how it's all looking, you've picked your colors and styling, etc. You can preview on desktop and mobile to make sure it's looking good in your theme, and then hit save. And there we have it. That was a super quick tutorial on how you can add custom reviews with the animation just like this to the Shopify product page. It's a great conversion booster, especially for new brands. Plus, it makes this product page just overall look a lot better with the styling in there. If you have any questions about this or any of our other sections, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, keep an eye on this channel and the app as we release more sections like this every single week.